Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to learn about if conditional statement. Let's understand the syntax of if condition. So here we are going to use this keyword if, and then in these square brackets, we are going to write the condition. And generally, we are going to use relational operator in the condition, and also the other types of operator like logical operators and arithmetic operators. So all the kind of operators can be used inside this condition. And be careful that whenever you are using this format, there should be some space between this square bracket and this condition. Similarly, there should be a space between these two, right? And then we are going to use this keyword then, and we are going to use as many number of statements that we want to use. And then in the end, to end this if condition, we are going to use fi, which shows the end of the if statement. Similarly, if you remember, in case of your other programming languages, let's if I talk about C and C++, there it was we used to represent it this way: if, and then in round brackets we used to write the condition, but there was no rule of having a space between the brackets and the condition. And then to start the if condition, we used to have this curly brackets, and then to end this condition, we used to have this ending curly brackets, and in between we used to write the statement. So this is how it was represented in C and C++. But in case of your shell scripting, you have to be careful about this because this is a new programming language. So now let's implement this and understand it with the help of creating a small script. So here I'm using gedit editor, and I name it as if script. So I name the file as if script and .sh. Fine. Now we are inside this editor. Every shell script is going to start with shebang operator and then /bin /bash. If statement script, and then a simple display message to enter the marks. We are trying to implement if condition with the help of the script, and then we use this read command to read the marks that will be stored in the variable marks. Fine. So now we are going to use the if syntax. So if, and then we are going to use this square brackets, and we have to put a space. So I have created a space, and then marks. And before that, I told you, before to access the value of the variable, we have to precede it with this dollar symbol. So before the variable name, we have to use this dollar symbol, and then with space, you are going to use the one of the relational operator. That is, if I say the mark should be greater than equal to, and the operator used for greater than equal to is GE. But before that, we have to put hyphen. So hyphen GE is denoting greater than equal. So if your marks are greater than equal to 33, then you're going to pass, and then again a space, and then this ending bracket. Understood? So if this condition is true, then only you can say that the student has passed or not. So then you are going to use the next keyword, that is then, and then just create a tab space and then write echo, in which you are going to write pass the exam. Fine. And then, as I told you, to end this if condition, we have to write fi. Fine. So this is how we are going to write a simple if condition. And if this condition is true, then only this will be printed. But if this condition is false, then you will not get any output. Fine. So let's save it, and now let's run the script. We have to use ./ and the name of the script. So when I try to run it, the permission is denied. So let's change the permission I give. Change chmod. Chmod is used to change the permission, and I'm giving +x means execute permission to the file if script .sh. Now the permission has been granted. Now let's run it once again. Now it is asking me to enter the marks. So as I fix the marks as 33, now if I enter 50, it is saying that I have passed the exam. Fine. Now let's once again go to this script to do some more changes. So what if I want to use multiple if? In that case, just copy this, Control C, and just paste it here. Here I'm going to fix it as if marks is less than equal to, or not equal to, because at greater than equal to, if you even get 33, you are, so I take less than. So LT represent less than, right? So if your marks are less than 33, you failed the exam. So just change this, fail the exam. Fine. Now let's save it. And then let's run it once again. So this time I'm going to enter the marks less than 33. So let's say if I enter 15. So it is saying that it failed the exam, right? Similarly, once again, let's run it and enter the marks more than. So if more than 33, I have entered 99. So you can see it has passed the exam. So this is how we are going to create. This is how if condition is being used. So in the coming lectures, I will be telling you about if else. That is the other conditional statement. So till then, to get more updates, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much.